In this video, I will show you how to use Trade Manager MT5 on custom charts in MetaTrader 5. This feature opens up new possibilities for working with non-standard charts. In MetaTrader 5, you can create custom charts yourself, independent of the standard timeframes and chart types available in the terminal. These can include, for example, Renko charts, tick charts, volume-based charts, or charts with a custom time interval. Such charts are generated using special scripts or indicators that produce data in a separate chart window. Traders use them to better filter market noise, identify trends more precisely, or analyze price movements in a unique way. In MetaTrader 4, Trade Manager has always been able to work with custom charts because they are created differently than in MetaTrader 5. However, in the case of MT5, this capability was introduced only in Trade Manager version 3.60. Since then, you can fully manage trades even on non-standard charts in MT5. Let's see how it works in practice. I will open a Renko chart for the GBPUSD currency pair. As you can see, the symbol for this chart is GBPUSD.renko, and this is not a valid symbol name for placing trades. Therefore, during launching Trade Manager MT5, I go to the settings and in the base symbol field, I enter the name of the base symbol, in this case, GBPUSD, to tell Trade Manager which symbol the trades should be placed on. Once the settings are confirmed, the Trade Manager panel is ready to work on the custom chart. From that moment, I can open and manage trades exactly as I would on standard charts. I open a few market and pending orders. As you can see, I'm placing them on the Renko chart, but the trades are linked to the base symbol. Thanks to Trade Manager, I can see the entry levels, as well as stop loss and take profit levels, directly on the custom chart. Trade Manager will handle all settings, including stop loss, take profit, break even, trailing stop, and all other functions, regardless of whether you are working on a Renko, tick, or any other custom chart. With this feature, you can combine the benefits of analyzing the market on custom charts with the full trade management capabilities provided by Trade Manager MT5 and MT4.